Okay. Oof. Okay, looks like the stream is up. Turning on my bot. Okay, looks like the stream is up. I'll still monitor my statistics of what's happening. So far, so good. I don't see any frame drops. I don't see any encoding issues too. This should be good. CPU usage is a bit high, like 49%, but that's expected. That's fine. Network is also fine, no issues. Okay, everything's good. For some reason, my camera isn't working. Okay, now it works. Fine. Okay, cool. What do we do? Oh, oh. Someone is here who is stream sounds are not working. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. Hey, good morning. Namaste. What? నేమ్ మార్చారా బ్రో మీరు? నాకు ఆ నేమ్ రికగ్నైజ్ లేదు నాకు. ఈపీరియం నో ఐడియా. నాకు నైట్ అవుతుంది. స్ట్రీమ్ సౌండ్స్ ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు చూడాలి. నేమ్ సేమేనా? ఓ పబ్జీ టైంలో మేబీ కలిసి ఉంటారా? నాకు మార్నింగ్ అవుతుంది, నాకు నైట్ అవుతుంది యూఎస్లో. నాకు ఇదే కరెక్ట్ టైం స్ట్రీమ్ చేయడానికి. నార్మల్ సౌండ్స్ వస్తాయి, ఆ సౌండ్ ఎందుకు స్ట్రీమ్లోకి వెళ్ళట్లేదా అని చూస్తున్నా. నేను ఏం చేస్తా అంటే ఏదైనా మ్యూజిక్ ఏదో ప్లే చేస్తా, చూద్దాం ఏమని వస్తుందో. Serverless run pods AI stuff. It's been a long time, bro. I didn't stream for like so many days. Okay. What's going on? Nothing, bro. Everything's good. So, what I'm doing now is pretty much trying to revive my audio from my streaming PC to gaming PC so that I can also hear and it also plays in the stream. Something is messed up. Don't know why. I didn't stream for like more than 2 months, bro. I bought a car and basically went on a road trip, came back, went to another place, and eventually I didn't really get the time to stream. Now I'm trying to get back to streaming, but don't really know what to stream. Because of this AI, I'm not really doing much of coding myself. It's all prompts now. I have one good project which I want to do, uh, which is like Telugu to Roman Telugu. It's basically how you type Telugu in WhatsApp. ఎట్లయితే నువ్వు లేదు బ్రో నేను లైక్ నేమ్స్ ఏమి అన్నావు చూడు, అట్లాంటిది ఒక ఎల్ఎల్ఎం ట్రైన్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను జస్ట్ టైం పాస్కి. అంటే హాయ్ ఎరా ఎలా ఉన్నావు అన్నావు అనుకో, తెలుగులో ఎరా ఎలా ఉన్నావు అనుకోకుండా ఇంగ్లీష్లో టైప్ అవుద్ది అన్నట్టు. ఏరా ఆరే ఎలా ఉన్నావు, ఇలాంటిది ఏదైనా ఉందా, లేకపోతే నాకు చేయాలని ఉంది, నాకు తెలియదు ఎలా చేయాలో, సో కొత్త నేర్చుకోవచ్చు అనేది. ఓ ఐపీ అడ్రస్ చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది కదా, ప్రాబబ్లీ. ఓకే 1 2 3 లెట్స్ సీ. అయినా రావట్లేదే. సేవ్ టు సేవ్. స్టిల్ ట్రయింగ్. ఇందులో కొంచెం ఆడియో పెంచుదామని. ఓకే ఇందాక చూద్దాం. ప్లే అవుతుంది. నాకు తెలియదు ప్లే అవుతుందని. స్ట్రీమ్లో ప్లే అయిందా అది? నేను ఒకసారి ఫైనల్గా లైక్ కూడా చూస్తా. Free open model to handle Telugu audio into Roman Telugu or WhatsApp type Telugu. I believe this is possible to do in Windows based 3080 GPU machine. Give me some stats on how is this possible or not and what are the steps to do it, as I have not trained a model ever. Okay, this is actually much easier than training a full speech model from scratch. Fine tune an existing open source open speech model recommended. Instead of training from zero, use an open source speech recognition model fine tuned for Telugu. Convert Telugu script to a Roman Telugu. Okay. You may not need to train anything initially. You can get a surprisingly good results without training. Okay. If you want a direct audio equal to Roman Telugu, then whisper to output to Roman Telugu directly. Speech to text fine tune. Uh, how much data is needed? 20 to 30 hours. The easiest and quickest, so that I can start using it. Convert Telugu script to Roman Telugu. You can start with existing transliteration tools and later customize spellings to match WhatsApp style. Hmm. I do not need I do not need a web UI. It's just audio clips, and the output should be yes. I do not have. Mhm. This dude worked on Apex Legends. Hmm. Anyways, I need a better chat GPT. Do not train anything. Start with a simple pipeline. Telugu script AI Bharat translate. Okay. Hey, this is like 2022, bro. This can work on Windows without a Whisper is an open source. MIT supports multilingual speech recognition. It models range from tiny to large or turbo with small needing around 2 GB VRAM medium. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Okay, as this is going to be my first project in doing something like this, how to do this exactly? I do not know any basics. And the model cannot know whether you want a or a unless you train labels consistently, teach that spelling. So we'll first define your WhatsApp spelling rules. Then, since this is your first ML audio project, don't think as a trainer model from zero. Existing Whisper model, your Telugu audio plus Roman Telugu spelling. So, but how should I do it? Install these. Python suppose Windows and create a project. Install these. Install training libraries. Install testing and create your data set. Okay. 3 to 8 seconds each. Clear voice, no music. Oh, we have to store it in the CSV files. Okay. Bad. Good. Okay. Define your Roman Telugu spellings here. Oh. First tiny transcription script. Hey, this is interesting, bro. But I'm clearly worried about the driver's issue. Okay. I think I have all of these and then create a project. Let's go. Ding, 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 ding. Who is it? Anyways, welcome to the stream. No. The बहुत दिन के बाद देखा आपको. Welcome to the stream, man. Yes, it's been 1 or 2 months. Been busy with life. Got back to my old place and lost my touch on how to stream or what to stream. Yes. Anyway, thanks for the like, man. Thank you. I don't know if those things would still work. नहीं अभी DSA नहीं कर रहा हूँ यार. I have a project in my mind. It's basically trying to train an LLM or an audio model to output from Telugu to Roman Telugu. Something like, let's say, मैं एक हिंदी में एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ. अगर मैंने बोला क्या कर रहे हो, instead of translating it to Hindi and even like something like this, bro. I'm going to show you. So when I say hi, how are you, you can see that it's trying to translate from English to Hindi, but Hindi in terms of Hindi literature. I'm sure this is not how WhatsApp chat is, but most people will chat in WhatsApp like क्या कर रहे हो, सब बढ़िया. You got what I'm trying to say. So I'm trying to train a model to go through my voice, and when I say क्या यार, it should type something like this instead of typing like, I don't know if it can, yeah, something like this. Which language? I'm going to use Python, not trying to do anything fancy. It's just Whisper and Python, some like 10 minutes of audio which I'm going to record now. So currently I'm doing this for Telugu itself, not for Hindi. I just gave you an example in Hindi, but there are a lot of ways you can do this. One is from, let's say, Hindi to this Hindi, like Hindi in Hindi, and then converting this Hindi to English Hindi or English. That's a bit too complicated. I have to basically train a bit too much, but the easiest route works 60 to 70% of time. At least that's what I'm expecting, is to read my audio and try to spell it in English. When I say kya kar rahe ho, CK, like kya means KYA. That's the agenda. I'm going to talk as much as possible. कसम से ब्रो, मैं भी पाइथन कर रहा हूँ अभी, ऑटोमेशन में स्विच कर रहा हूँ. नाइस. कौन सा ऑटोमेशन? समथिंग लाइक Selenium or network automation, robotics, AI. I'm really interested in this project rather than DSA, bro. DSA में पता नहीं यार, कुछ मन नहीं कर रहा है. DevOps automation, nice. So that's the project, and of course I have to pick a route which lets me like train this model using the hardware I have. I don't own a data center, so I have to keep that in mind. I don't really know how to set up. I never really done any training in the past for a LLM model, so this is going to be my first. Obviously, I'm going to use ChatGPT to teach me like how to do these things. Install Python 13. What do you mean? I have this one, Python 1.3. आपने Olama use किया है? Yes, but I prefer to use LM Studio rather than Olama. But I do use Llama models. I don't I don't think Olama model exists. Olama is it's like an application which lets you run LLMs. Oh, you're using this one. Check the Python version if it installed. Deactivate. मेरे पास तो एक ही है. Looks like I need Python 11. I don't want to install old version of Python. Okay, install. All right, but I don't want to mess up. I do not want to mess up my other projects. Let the AI model grasp that. You're right to be careful. Install 3.1 does not have to mess up the other projects if you do it in a safe way. Keep Python as default, side by side. Okay. तो साथ में काम करेंगे बढ़िया यार बोलो. बट मेरा कंसिस्टेंसी तुम जानते हो ना. मतलब प्रोजेक्ट, गिव मी अ प्रोजेक्ट, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन. अभी तो मेरा इसके ऊपर मन है. मैं सोचता हूँ कुछ दिन ट्राई करेंगे, अगर काम किया बढ़िया, नहीं किया तो जाने देते हैं. नो suitable runtime error after installing download. Okay. Superseded. Okay, but how to download, bro? Where is the download? Huh? YouTube channel. नाम भी भूल गया. It's my fault, bro. I'm also trying to do something fun, man. Maybe like watch YouTube videos too if you like interested. YouTube is also open if you want me to like watch a video or read something you want to share. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं अभी. मोनेटाइजेशन भी बंद कर दिया है. अभी जो है वो है बस. आईजी है ब्लेजिंग बेन. यही सेम लोगो आएगा एक. मैं दिखा देता हूँ. अगर तुम ये साइट पे जाओगे तो ये वाला, द सेकंड वन, द फर्स्ट वन आई नीड टू रिमूव इट फॉर सम रीजन. अब दिस इज़ द वन, ब्रो. लेकिन कुछ पोस्ट नहीं करता हूँ मैं. अगर तुम कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हो उसके ऊपर तो शेयर करो, बट ज़्यादा कुछ पोस्ट नहीं करूँगा मैं. मैं ट्विटर ज़्यादा यूज़ करता हूँ. इफ़ यू आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट यू कैन, you don't have to follow, but you can send a message there as well if you want to. Hey, what is this? Anyways, there is a challenge now, that is I need to download Python 3.111, but looks like it's not available to download. Install Python 14, 13. Where is 11, bro? I cannot download 11. 3.11. Okay. Installer. ये ट्विटर बहुत क्रिंज हो गया ये फिर बोल सकते हैं मेरा ट्विटर का एल्गो. See, I truly hate Instagram for myself. There is no other platform for me. ट्विटर सही है, मतलब मैं ज़्यादा क्या बोलते हैं, I won't stay for too long in my home feed. I would directly jump to the explore and just go to the news section. That's the one I normally use. But I never really sit in home section for too long. And honestly, if you spend enough time in explore and stick to news, you will have similar information in the home screen as well. Just make sure that not to enter, cringe side of things. But I truly hate the, what do you call it, engagement bait posts like, what's stopping you from coding like these, something like those. I truly hate. I just press this button and say I'm not interested. Do you already have the flow for this? Why isn't Git a copilot the menu? I don't know. But the news section is very great, bro. You get much more accurate information even before things happen. For some reason my camera stopped working. I will see what I can do. Okay, looks like my camera is dead. 1 minute. अब maybe यही try करता हूँ. I'm reading your chat, bro. For some reason my camera just, I mean my camera is on, but it's, what you call it, OBS cannot just pick up my webcam for some reason. Don't know why. Okay, now it's working. Anyways, back to, let me see if those commands work. Show my face. No. Yeah, I should be visible now. I should be visible. You should be seeing me, bro. तो यहाँ तक तो ठीक रहता है. अगर देखो जो भी चाहिए उसके ऊपर फॉलो कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो. लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम, एनी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म में तुम होम सेक्शन में जितना कम रहोगे उतना सही है. ज़्यादातर एक्सप्लोर में जाओ, न्यूज़, ट्रेंडिंग, ये सब भी ठीक है. स्पोर्ट्स, एंटरटेनमेंट, इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए यार. होम से लिंक्डइन होम सेक्शन तो उससे भी क्रिंज है. लिंक्डइन होम सेक्शन, और व्हाट यू कॉल इट, फीड सेक्शन. Kids test, welcome to the stream, bro. What's up? Oh, voice attack. I need to turn on this. I totally forgot about this application. If I don't turn on, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. Yeah, I agree. I hate LinkedIn, bro. I truly hate it. Show my face. Oh, probably let's fix this section. Let's fix this one. Bash scripts. Probably this is the one. Yep. Why आपकी LinkedIn प्रोफाइल है? मेरा कोई LinkedIn नहीं है यार. मैं I don't use LinkedIn. I mean है एक, मतलब एक्टिव नहीं रहता हूँ. I hate LinkedIn. Do you watch Spider-Man brand new trailer? I think I did, but I don't really fully remember. But I think I did.
What is happening to me? Did you miss me, Spidey?
This is not fan made, right? Yeah, no, this is fan. This is real.
I'm losing my mind. I am totally out of control.
But what is the story now? I mean, is he going to meet Venom? Is he going to meet, what is the other person? The other universe. What is he up to?
I gotta fix whatever this is right now.
Final semester MIT.
Dad, who do you think is actually watching these?
Maybe someone.
Okay, well, bye.
The focus is gone from my camera. Hello, mic check. I think it's not getting enough power. That might be one of the reasons.
Hi, someone.
What the? Dr. Banner?
Okay, he's basically becoming like the OG Spider-Man then.
You found a way to suppress mutating DNA, right?
If you see me with this stuff, run.
So could you get rid of the bad aspects but keep the good?
How would you decide what parts of nature are good or bad?
Sorry about that.
You're not one of my students, are you?
Oh, they forgot who he was. Okay, they forgot who he was. Yeah. Okay, the camera is not working again. Turn on.
It appears we're faced with a threat we can't control. One we can't even see. You're the only one who's immune to it. You're the only one who can sense it.
And what do you think they're looking for?
Oh, see, you stumbled across my board. I'm not one of those weirdos, I swear.
He's a little weird. I'm MJ.
You two don't know each other?
I wouldn't appreciate if they recognize him now and became friends, because what was the reason for the other film? Oh,
Yo, Spider-Man, you okay? Did you get rid of that monster inside you?
Think I might go see how MJ's doing.
You're not gonna get away with this.
But he might.
I didn't know you could get that big. But you're in danger. You just have to trust me.
Fine.
This whole thing can get really scary.
Who the hell is that?
Who the hell are you?
Frank, please. I don't have anywhere else to go.
By the people who love you,
Just gonna let him go by himself?
love you because you're you.
If you're gonna do something, you better do it now.
Never forget that. No matter how powerful you've become.
Let me see, Mike. Huh. All right, just give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'm not in high school anymore. Oh. You stretch? You a big stretcher? It's so good for you. You ready?
I did not understand the plot. It's July 31st. Okay, it's close by. It's close. It's close. Okay, I totally forgot I need to install this one. Okay. Then another video is also playing. Custom installation for all users, pip. But where could I install? don't want to upgrade. Install Tinker and the idle development. Okay. Add to path. That's fine. Download debugging. Okay. Oh, it's downloading 3. Oh shit. It's downloading the same 3.11. I need 3 point. 3.11 October 2022. So we can try this one. Delete this. Try again. Okay. Close. Why is it downloading that one? .311 download. Okay. And in the meantime, let's try installing this. Is it adding the things into the path? Add environment to the path. Python. Okay. And let's see with this one. npm install. I'm sure the IP address for these are fine. Oh no. Welcome to the stream, bro. You seem new. I'm not trying to install a traditional Python. I do have Python. I have to install a specific version. I want 3.13 or 1.4 to be the main one, but for this project I specifically need 3.11. So I don't want to mess my other projects which depend on 3.13. So yeah, just being careful. That's it. Yeah, I know. Welcome to the stream, bro. You seem new. Show my face. It's not working. No, this is not the one. Okay. Show my face. What is the error here? Okay, working voice that I cannot find a specific path. Oh, because it's no longer E. It's something else. Where is it? Okay, this shouldn't be E anymore. It should be F. Okay, let's try this one. I don't know if it would work. Show my face. Still trying to look. Just close it and let's try to run it again. No, not the voice banana. Voice attack. It's been 2 months. I have did some like streams. I kind of forgot, and there are a lot of things changed in my setup. I switched my hard drives between different things. Or maybe I can just change the. Oh, this is E now. Oh, this is E and this is F. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Show my face. Still trying to do this one. Oh, I totally forgot. Edit this command. I need to modify here. So the commands now sit inside games. Yeah, bad choice. Games and bash scripts. Which one am I? Okay, streamer bot. Bad. Apply, done. Show my face. Okay, my camera has stopped working again. I have no idea why this is happening. Probably I had these, what do you call it, auto turn off. Let me try see to fix it. Back to gaming. Hey, what went wrong, man? Okay, I have to change each and every command. 1 second, guys. Don't know why it was turned off. It has power and everything. Okay. Small things still need changes. Let's now try to switch this command to back to gaming and switch this to this one. Open, okay, okay, apply, done. Back to gaming. Okay, this works, nice. And what other commands I have? Calculator, back to gaming, move the mouse, show my face. I think that's the one I have. Hello? Oh. There was a command called thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Those are all gone anyways, so that's fine. Okay, this command system works, and now let's see if the terminal would work fine. Okay. CD Telugu Roman, let's activate. Okay. Now we have to run the other commands. After installing, you should see create VNV only for this project. Remove. Okay. Oh, I have stupid me. Okay, inside this we have this one. I open terminal. This. B use this one. Let's wait for it. Okay, and then we see Python version. It's this one. Okay, let's see this one. It's installing things. Okay, installation complete. Then test this one. No module name Torch. I don't think I have installed Torch. Okay. Okay, this is the final step. What's the problem, bro? Keep focusing. Okay, when I turn around, I think it's unable to get my face for some reason. Okay, while this thing downloads, I shall wait. And in the meantime, we can explore YouTube. Hey, look who's
Hey,
my
so I'm
friend.
significantly older than you.
Yeah, why do you feel compelled to say that at the start of this conversation?
How's the job hunt going? I know it's rough out there.
Yeah, well...
It's all about who you know, right? Gotta pull out that old Rolodex, if you know what I mean. Here's something that might work. Take your college education off your resume. You don't want to appear overqualified, right? At the end of the day, going door to door in a nice suit with printed resumes, that's a classic way to show your initiative. What's the matter with you? Aren't you looking for a job?
One does not simply look for a job.
What?
It's okay. Since so many job listings are fake or scams, one must send out 200 to 300 applications and cover letters a day.
A day?
Naturally, you're thinking, how does one bypass the AI scans and arcane keyword restrictions? So one must code to automatically AI generate resumes and cover letters suited to each application.
So AI listings are processing AI applications?
Naturally, it creates a perfect equilibrium whereby one must submit to the divine force of LinkedIn. One must pray 8 times a day while walking aimlessly. This is the unemployed Gen Z walk.
It's still downloading.
How to continue programming in this new era of AI, right? And essentially, if you want to continue programming, I suppose you have to probably do your own stuff, right? Do your own pet projects, or maybe even start your own company. But if you're starting
Start your own company. As if it's that easy.
own company, you're effectively starting to compete with all of this huge slope corpus, right? But here's the thing, maybe the fact that they're so huge is actually advantage for us. Because
what hardware are they using? How can they stream from Linux? Where for me, my Elgato, my microphone, they just don't work. How are they even able to stream this much?
they're very slow and very clunky by themselves, they overlook very smaller markets because of their clunkiness and slowness and bloatness. It's a very huge expenses for them to even.
It definitely has some bloat, I agree, but most of the bloat is caused by trying to keep the existing code safe. AI writes its own code again, or maybe tries to copy paste the same function.
Focus on such small markets, right? So, and the programmers, right, so the actual programmers can probably try to fill in those markets, right? and try to keep all of these slopers away from that. It's a very abstract idea, by the way, right? I don't have a concrete examples, but I have a feeling something like that could be viable, right? You identify a very small niche that for all of these slope companies not worth even
AI slope, AI slop companies.
focusing on, you fill in that niche and you protect that niche from all of this slope, right? You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Will be interesting to actually explore that. Niche performance software which doesn't suck to exactly. That's a very interesting.
I found niche in my embedded for C. Where is the command? Where is the command?
Niche, like a good example, like a file pilot, right? And file pilot is extremely niche software because to use file pilot, you need to be aware of existence of a file system, which which is a very niche knowledge, a very few people possess. But people who possess knowledge of an existence of the file system, they appreciate performance software.
What is file pilot? Next generation file explorer, engineered effectively from scratch for lightweight performance. Definitely want to try this one. I don't know if it's installing or is it stuck. Okay, that's done. I got 2 of them. If it is any faster, then that should be great. I like the UI for sure. Definitely Linux-ish pricing. Okay, this is done. What else? Hopefully this works. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. I think I'm ready. What next? PyTorch and install required packages. Pip install. Okay, looks like I have a lot more to install. A subreddit for a hobby. What no? Where did that video go? The fireship video. Refresh. Come on, load up. starting to teach myself everything. $191.
Hello friends, I've gotten a lot of questions on how I type so fast, not so much on YouTube because I don't that one of the main reasons why I type so fast is because I played a lot of games, but mostly MapleStory as a kid. And in MapleStory, you have to keybind all of your skills to a specific key on the keyboard. Naturally, you have to memorize your keyboard in order to most efficiently farm monsters. So my first tip is muscle memory, aka touch typing, to be able to type without looking at the keyboard. This does
Okay, this is done. Let's install OpenAI Whisper. Install FFmpeg. I think I already have FFmpeg. Quick test with Whisper before training. Test. Put one Telugu audio file to your project, for example. Okay, I do have an audio file. If it works, then you'll get a Telugu script output first, then that proves that audio pipeline works. Create your own data set. Clips, test clips. What's the difference between clips and test clips? But before training, your immediate next command is this, then test this. You're ready to test your Whisper audio, okay. Let's try to F ls cd coding ls c Telugu, come on, ls, and then we do this one. After that, we need to create a text file. I believe I already have one of the audio files, but I don't know where they are. I'm going to delete all these. Namaste. I'm using the wrong microphone. Let's give the best microphone. నమస్తే. నేనేం చెప్తున్నా అంటే నాకిప్పుడు ఆకలి అవుతుంది. Okay. Let's open the folder and like copy this and paste it somewhere we need. Okay. Test. Okay, and then does it only read WAV file? Wouldn't it read M4A, something like that? Okay, it definitely works, yeah. F cd coding cd telugu ls. So those are done. We need to paste clips inside it and also create metadata.csv. Let's try opening it here. Namaste, name, nene, nam, put. No, it did not recognize the same language. Yes. Where is the Z? Did I not open it? Okay, we create metadata.csv and test files, or let's say clips. I don't think I need this one, so this will be moved here. Audio 1 mov. Okay, audio 1 m.m4a. It's going to be let me just read it once, or listen to that once, so that I can see what did I say. Namaste, నేనేం చెప్తున్నా అంటే, ఓకే, నమస్తే, నేనేం చెప్తున్నా అంటే, నాకిప్పుడు ఆకలి అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నాకిప్పుడు ఆకలి అవుతుంది. ఓకే, let's try to record a few more audio clips. ఏ మాట కామాట, అందరం ఒకేలా ఉంటామా ఏంటి? రాముడు మంచి బాలుడు, కానీ బాలుడు మంచి రాముడు. ప్రజాపతి, వర్షం, ఎండ, తిండి. యూట్యూబ్, కారం, పప్పు. ఎక్కడున్నాయి? ఓ, rename as 2, rename as 3, rename as 4, rename as 1. ఓకే, 1 అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు మనం 2 చూద్దాం. 4a, 3 m4a, 4.m4a. Let's try playing 3. నమస్తే, నేనేం చెప్తున్నా అంటే, నాకిప్పుడు ఆకలి అవుతుంది. Oh, this is 2. Okay, then what is 1? నమస్తే. నేనేం చెప్తున్నా అంటే నాకిప్పుడు ఆకలైతుంది. ఓకే. నమస్తే. నేనేం చెప్తున్నా అంటే నాకిప్పుడు ఆకలైతుంది. Okay, let's try to play 3. ఏ మాట కామాట. ఏ మాట కామాట. ఏ మాట ఆ మా ఆ మాట అందరం ఒకేలా ఉంటామా ఏంటి? అందరం ఒకేలా ఉంటామా ఏంటి? రాముడు మంచి బాలుడు. రాముడు మంచి బాలుడు. కానీ బాలుడు మంచి రాముడు. కానీ రాముడు మంచి బాలుడు. ప్రజాపతి వర్షం, ఎండ, తిండి. యూట్యూబ్ కారం, పప్పు. ఓకే, so far so good. Okay, I got these. Let's see now. Okay, you're right on track, but your has 2 problems. Problem 1, mismatching header. Your line should be, your first line should be audio and text. Okay, and then right now your fail starts with this problem. Audio path is wrong. Instead of use clips, okay, it has to be clips slash home done. Commas inside text. Okay, looks like it doesn't like commas. CSV things are comma. Oh, comma means a new value. Okay, that's bad. In quotes, how can I put it in quotes? Namaste with namaste. Okay, next pick. After fixing, run this command and okay, final test boys. Did it run or did it not run? If that works, we can create train.py next. It's no valid. Now we created train.py. Okay, I have no idea what this is. This is it, but let's just simply copy paste it. Train.py. Step 2, install all these. After installing this, because we may need extra decoding support. Okay, and then python.train. The first one may download whisper small again. For that, this is normal expected training complete. Did I not have the focus boy? Why is it not focusing? Okay, I didn't know that would be a problem. Let's try changing the autofocus to something else, maybe. What? Remove the audio and change it. Replace your pre-data set function to this instead of just tell me, bro. Your should look something like this. Okay, and this part should look something like this. And run again, and you will get, if you get an error again, let's see. It's doing something. It's doing something. It's not really taking that much resources. It's mostly CPU. I expected it would take a lot of GPU, but it's nothing. Unsure how long this would take, but for just like 4 to 5 files, should be fine. But it's not moving anytime soon. Find this block and then change it to what? It was actually showing the errors, man. It's not using any GPU for some reason. Oh yeah, it's using GPU. Okay, that's a good sign. What happened to my autofocus? Boy, is it trying to struggle? Let's see what I can do. Let's revert to the approach. Maybe in this way it could see a lot more of me. Oh, okay, model has been saved, boy. How can I test it? Okay, create test.model.py. That's fine. Oh, cancel. Perfect. This is successful end-to-end proof. Okay. So what now? Oh. Give me a script in Python which could go over all the audio files in the scripts and convert it. No params, no nothing, just variables and path in plain Python. Its job is to use ffmpeg and convert the WAV or whatever I have to WAV. Cool. A big of a file, but that's okay. What was the file name? Convert clips to WAV. Convert clips to wav.py. CLS, and it should be, what should it be? Yeah, Python convert. All conversions are done. Okay. Copy path, train, test model CLV underscore wav. I think that's the one we have. That's the one we have. Okay. Let's try something new. Okay, let's try record a lot of audios now. Sound recordings, delete all these. How can I do a refresh? ఆడో పిచ్చోడు ప్రజలు వాళ్ళంతే చెప్తా ఉంటారు అట్లా మనం అన్ని విన్నామనుకో పిచ్చోళ్ళం అవుతాం. షిట్, రాంగ్ మైక్రోఫోన్ బాయ్. వాళ్ళంతా పిచ్చోళ్ళు. మనం అవన్నీ పట్టించుకున్నామంటే ముందుకు పోము వెనకకు పోము. తిన్నావా మరి? ఏమన్నా ఉంటే రేపు చూసుకుందాంలే. అవునవును, తెలుసు తెలుసు. వాడే ఫోన్ చేసిండు. రేపు సాయంత్రంలోగా రావచ్చు వాడు. చూడాలి మరి ఏమవుతుందో. X and paste it here. No. Clips. Is it already there? Okay, rename to 5. Okay, it should be Vav. Let's try playing it. అంత పిచ్చోళ్ళు మనం అవన్నీ పిచ్చోళ్ళు పట్టించుకున్నామంటే మనం అవన్నీ పట్టించుకున్నామంటే మనం అవన్నీ పట్టించుకున్నామంటే ముందు పోము వెనక పోము ముందు పోము వెనక్కి పోము. తిన్నావా మరి ఏమన్నా ఉంటే రేపు చూసుకుందాంలే. ఏమన్నా ఉంటే రేపు చూసుకుందాం. అవునవును తెలుసు. అవును తెలుసు. వాడే ఫోన్ చేసిండు. రేపు సాయంత్రంలోగా రావచ్చు వాడు. చూడాలి మరి ఏమవుతుందో. రేపు సాయంత్రంలోగా రావాలి. చూడాలి మరి ఏమవుతుందో. Okay, so far so good. Let's try another one. ఒకసారి ఇవి పెట్టి ట్రైన్ చేసి చూద్దాం ఏమైందో. ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంటుందో నో ఐడియా. Hey, very bad. Okay, yeah. First we need to run Python convert clips to py and then deal with this one. ఓకే, మోడల్ సేవ్డ్. నా ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఒక కొత్త వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేద్దాం. అరే పోరా పిచ్చోడా ఆగం. మెంటల్ మ్యాడ్ ఇది. సాయంత్రం, పొద్దున, రాత్రి, పగలు, నిన్న, మొన్న ఏంటో మరి చూడాలి. నీళ్ళు, దాహం, rename to 6 dot. సో లెట్స్ ట్రైన్ తీసేసి ఏంటంటే టెస్ట్ మోడల్లో ఈ క్లిప్స్ తీసేసి వీ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ 6 cls python test model.py. అసలు వర్డ్సే పెట్టలేదు నేను, ఏమైందో తెలియదు. అదేంటి అలా వచ్చింది? Okay, let's try maybe 4, 5. అదేంటి అలా ఉంది? Maybe let's try listening this. వాళ్ళంతా పిచ్చోళ్ళు. మనం అవన్నీ పట్టించుకున్నామంటే ముందుకు పోము, వెనకకు పోము. తిన్నావా మరి? Did it train bad or what? Is the metadata. Let's also try to give the file to this one. ఏదో చేస్తుంది, చూద్దాం. Probably this space was not a good idea. Did I have any spelling? No. I think too big of an audios are not a good idea. నేను, నువ్వు, నేను, నేనే, నేను కాకపోతే నువ్వు. Oh, yeah, the audio is a bad, but output is bad, but expected for what you are here right now. Where you are right now. The main issue is almost 20 seconds long. This is your first fine tuning. That is too long, especially with why only few training example. Whisper got stuck with a repetition loop. That usually happens because of the mix of too little training data, long target sequence. Do not train on 20 seconds clip with a huge sentence instead of this. Okay. Okay, we need to put small ones, not big ones. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. Delete. నేను, నువ్వు, నిన్న, రాత్రి, రేపు, రాజు రెడ్. రెండు రాళ్ళు రప్పలు రిప్పలు రుప్ప. కైట్ కీర్తి కిట్టు కత్తి. Okay, let's try this one. లాగా లాగి లాగు లాషి లంబా. Okay, let's see. Where is it? Okay, moving to right here. Okay, let's rename this as 5 6 7. Okay, 8 9. Okay, where is metadata? Metadata is 4. Okay, let's try to play fifth one. రాత్రి రేపు రాజు రెడ్. రాత్రి రేపు రాజు రెడ్. py.wav రాత్రి రేపు రాజు రెడ్. Okay, then sixth రెండు ఏంటంటే రెండు రాళ్ళు రాళ్ళు రప్పలు రప్పలు రిప్పలు రిప్పలు రుప్ప రుప్ప. Okay, 7 8. 9 కూడా ఉందా? 9. ఇప్పుడు 7 చూద్దాం. కైట్ కీర్తి కిట్టు కత్తి లాగా లాగి లాగు లాషి లంబ. లాగా లాగి లాగు లాషి లంబ. నేను నువ్వు నిన్న. అంతేనా? Okay, let's see. Okay, 9 WAV files. train.model.py. Let's see. Okay, training begin. It's using the GPU. It's good. Hey Harish, namaste Anna, namaste. ఎటులా ఉన్నావు మిత్రమా? చాలా రోజులు అయినదా? writing model shards. Okay, model saved. Nice. Now clips dot wow clips. నేను బాగానే ఉన్నాను. నీవు ఎలా ఉన్నావు మిత్ర? అంత మంచిదే భయ్యా, అంత మంచిదే. సబ్ చాంగలా చిల్ అవుతున్నా. ఇది ఒక చిన్నది ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఒకటి చేద్దాం, లైక్ మోడల్ని ఎట్లా ట్రైన్ చేద్దాం అని చెప్పి చూస్తున్నాను. అఫ్కోర్స్ అంత డీప్గా నేర్చుకుంటలేను ఏంది అనేది. జస్ట్ ఇట్లా ఆడియో రికార్డింగ్స్ ప్లస్ ఏంటో చెప్తే నాకు తెలుగులో రావాలి. ఐ మీన్ రేలంగి మామనే తెలుగులో ఎరా ఎలా ఉన్నావు అంటే వాడు ఇంగ్లీష్లో టైప్ చేస్తాడు ఎరా ఎలా ఉన్నావని. ఎట్లయితే నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు నేను బాగానే ఉన్నానని ఎట్లా పెట్టినావో అలా. కోర్స్ అంత రియలిస్టిక్గా అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉండదు, బట్ స్టిల్ ట్రయింగ్. ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేసిన ఒక ఏమంటారు మన మోడల్ రెడీగా ఉంది చూస్తావా. ఏడువాడు ఇదే మన మోడల్. దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు లోడ్ చేసి చిన్న టెస్ట్ చేస్తా. ఇప్పుడు సిఎల్ఎస్ టెస్ట్ అబౌట్ మోడల్. ఇప్పుడు ఆ మోడల్ లోడ్ అయ్యి టెస్ట్ అయ్యి చూద్దాం ఏమవుతుంది. అరే ఏమైందిరా? ఓ వావ్ ఫైల్, సారీ. సిఎల్ఎస్ గుర్రు అంటుంది. రాత్రి రేపు రాజు రెడ్డు. ఇప్పుడు ఒక కొత్త ఆడియో పెట్టి టెస్ట్ చేద్దాం ఎలా ఉంటుందో. అని డిలీట్ చేసేస్తే బాగుండు. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. We need GPUs for it, right? Yeah, I already have enough GPU, bro. 3080 should be fine. I mean, this is more like a hobby project and I want to use it only for my voice. Basically, that's the trade-off I set, so that it's going to be possible for me to use it. So I'm going to record something. నేనేమంటా అంటే రేపటి నుంచి రెడ్ కత్తి వాడతా. So this is the audio. Let's see how this is going to test it. Clips dot wow, press save somewhere here, rename as 10.mam4a test model. This is going to be 10. Okay, CLS. First I have to convert that one, CLS, and then we test. చూద్దాం ఇందాక నేను చెప్పింది ఎట్లా వస్తుందో. 100% రాకపోవచ్చు, ఇదర్ వైస్ ఫైన్. నేనేమంటానంటే రేపటి నుంచి రెడ్ కత్తి వాడతా. నేనేమంటానంటే అదెందుకు నేను ఇట్లా ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? నేను తప్పేమని పెట్టినా ఇది. నేను ఏమంటాకి రామంట ఏ మాట కామంటాను. ఓకే, నేనేమంటా ఈ పెద్దదే బిస్కెట్ అయింది అనుకుంటా. నేను యాక్చువల్గా పెట్టలేదు, నేనేమంటా అనేది పెట్టలేదు. ఓకే, రేపటి నుంచి కూడా లేదా? నుంచి కూడా ట్రైన్ చేయలేదు. ఓకే, రెడ్డుకి రెడ్డు అనేది పలుకుతుంది. ఓకే, కత్తి వాడతా. ఓకే, చాలానే లేవు. లెట్స్ రైట్ దిస్ వన్. 10కి ఏంటంటే నేనేమంటా అంటే రేపటి నుంచి రెడ్ కత్తి వాడతా. నేనేమంటా అంటే రేపటి నుంచి రెడ్ కత్తి వాడతా. ఓకే, సో ఫార్ సో గుడ్. ఇంకో 2 ట్రైన్ చేద్దాం. సో నేను అదే చెప్తున్నా, నువ్వా నేనా చూసుకుందాం. రేపో మాపో తెలిసిపోతుంది. వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోయి ఓకే, ఈ 4 జాలే. ఓకే, ప్లేస్ ఇట్ హియర్. Convert clips. This code should also handle this requirement now, where it needs to no needs to assign the needs to rename. I'm also trying to use it. I use that most of the time, except Angular. For Python, for all the other projects, I am fine with Z. To rename the audios with largest plus one number. No model selected. Ah, shit. It's not codex, bro. Huh? అబ్బా ఫోకస్ ఏంటి రావట్లేదు. Focus boy. Focus. How is Z agent? Does it need any API key to use? I don't use Z agent, bro. I'm only using Codex. I have ChatGPT $20 version, and Codex works fine for me. No complaints. It does pretty much anything. I had OBS troubles lately, and Codex fixed it. I had some of my I had this Docker setup engine which works on WSL, but it was crashing for some reason. I don't know. So I told Codex to not use WSL and just use a Windows virtual machine instead of WSL, and it did it. And there was another problem with Tesla Mate. Like you might know, I own a Tesla, and there is a GitHub open source project which basically keep tracks of my Tesla movements. It has an issue, very recent issue someone raised in a GitHub fix, and I just gave the GitHub, what do you call it, the repository owner suggested this is how you fix it. I just copy pasted it to the Codex and it fixed it. So no complaints, bro. Works awesome. Convert WAV file. Okay, 13. Okay, now let's go to the meta.csv. 14. Okay, 10 level 12 11. Okay, 11 12 13 14. Nice. Now let's do okay, let's try this one. నువ్వా నేనా చూసుకుందాం. నువ్వా నేనా చూసుకుందాం. ఓకే, 12. రేపో మాపో తెలిసిపోతుంది. రేపో మాపో తెలిసిపోతుంది. 13. వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోయి. ఓకే, సో ఫార్ సో గుడ్. సో నేను అదే చెప్తున్నా. ఓకే, వండర్ఫుల్. లెట్స్ ట్రైన్. ఐ థింక్ జస్ట్ ట్రైన్. ఒకటి రికార్డ్ చేద్దాం. ఏంటి అంటే డిలీట్. ఏం రికార్డ్ చేద్దామంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఏం మాట్లాడాలి ఇప్పుడు. ఇది నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది. నాకు తెలుసు ఇది బాగుంటుందని. పాపా ఇది రికార్డ్ చేసా. ఈ వర్డ్స్ ఎప్పుడు నేను రికార్డ్ చేయలేదు, సో షుడ్ బి ఫైన్. ట్రైనింగ్ ఇంకా పూర్తవ్వలేదా? ఓకే. ట్రైన్ అవుతుంది, మోడల్ ట్రైన్ అవుతుంది బాయ్స్. చూద్దాం, थोड़ा समय लगेगा भाई. కొంచెం ఇటు తిప్పితే బెటర్. ఓకే, కంటెంట్ పెరిగినా కొద్ది స్లో అవుతుంది. ఓకే, so this should be pasted here. Convert, that is done, and then 15 vav. Test model 15 vav CLS. Let's see. Python test. Hey biscuit. Okay, let's try 14 maybe. 13 చూద్దాం. 13 అయితే అయి ఉండాలి కదా ట్రైన్. అన్ని చిన్న చిన్నవి ఉన్నాయిగా, ఏమైంది మరి? వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోయి. ఓకే, ఇది నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది. నాకు తెలిసి ఇది బాగుంటుందని. ఇది నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది. నాకు తెలుసు ఇది బాగుంటుందనా? నాకు తెలిసి ఇది బాగుంటుందని. నాకు తెలుసు ఇది బాగా ఉంటుందని. నాకు తెలిసి ఇది
Good day to you.
బాగుంటుందని. ఆ గుడ్ డే టు ఏంటో బొక్క. నిన్న సాయంత్రం is it possible to train with larger and larger tricks? This is kind of tedious. అదేంది దుబ్బింది 15 మరీ పెద్ద ఉందా ఏంటి? ఇది నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది. నాకు తెలుసు ఇది బాగుంటుందని. ఇది నాకు బాగా నచ్చి what's wrong here? What's wrong here? 13 వర్క్ అయింది, 15 ఎందుకు వర్క్ అవ్వలేదు? వర్క్ ఏంటి? లో ర్యాంక్ అడాప్షన్. ఓకే. Mine is lowercase only, bro. Okay, so far so good. We will see you again tomorrow. Until then, bye bye.